These are my cats, crowded at the door, even though it's raining out. It's like all rainy. Boy. Rain, 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 they don't care. They just want to go outside. Watch this. It's raining out. Watch. Raining, 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 and out. I didn't even have to guess. I didn't even have to, boom. Number 2. We all know you're coming. You guys gonna stay out here in the rain? Considering it? So loud here. Yeah, you're flirting like you're not, but we all know you are. Here she comes. Yep. They've gotten used to the rain, everybody. Our hands just got more full.